Hey, what's up guys, Will here for GSM Arena. Xiaomi is well known for its innovation in the budget smartphone scene, but they also aren't afraid to push boundaries in the flagship category as well. This is the new Mi 11 Ultra, and let's go over some of its unique features. The Mi 11 Ultra isn't a small phone, which makes sense from a phone called Ultra. It's hefty and smooth and built from ceramic, not glass or plastic. It's the camera hump which draws the attention though. This thing is huge. It's not all cameras though, half of it is actually the rear AMOLED display, one of the Mi 11's coolest new features. It's a touchscreen, just 1.1 inches in diagonal, and it supports the same functions as an always-on display. You can also use it as a selfie viewfinder if you want to take them with the rear camera. In addition, this high-end device has full IP68 rated waterproofing. It'll survive being submerged in water no problem. The front display is a curved 6.81-inch AMOLED protected by sturdy Gorilla Glass Victus. It has a high-res QHD resolution, HDR10 Plus support, and a fast 120Hz refresh rate. The high refresh rate means that fast movements on screen, like swiping the UI, are super fast and fluid. It's the popular MIUI 12 by the way over Android 11. And thanks to a 480Hz touch sampling rate, the screen is very responsive too. You can also wake up and unlock the phone via a fingerprint scanner under the screen. And you have an IR blaster on board for controlling appliances with, and support for NFC for contactless payments and connectivity. For audio, the Mi 11 Ultra has a pair of stereo speakers, which Xiaomi claims are super loud. The sound is tuned by Harman Kardon, so the quality should be quite nice to boot. There is no headphone jack though. The Mi 11 Ultra runs on the top-of-the-line Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset, along with 12 gigs of RAM. This provides you with blazing fast performance as well as 5G connectivity. On top of that, there's a new 3-phase cooling system, so the thermal should be great here, important for long gaming sessions. The device has a large 5000 mAh battery, and I expect battery life to be quite nice here. Plus, there's a 67-watt bundled turbo charger which can charge up the phone incredibly fast. On top of that, there's support for super fast 67-watt wireless charging too, and you get reverse wireless charging as well. Finally, let's go over the cameras. The Mi 11 Ultra has 3 on the back, a 50-megapixel quad-Bayer main camera, a 48-megapixel quad-Bayer ultra-wide with autofocus, and a 48-megapixel quad-Bayer periscope telephoto cam with 5x optical zoom. The main camera has the largest smartphone sensor on the market right now, and uses what they call a multi-point direct time-of-flight laser focus, so low-light photography and close-range focusing speed are gonna be hard to beat. Plus, the telephoto and ultra-wide cams share the same type of sensor, so photo quality will be pretty similar between them, besides the field of view of course. And all 3 cameras can shoot 8K video too, at 24 FPS. So there you have it guys, the Mi 11 Ultra looks like an awesome flagship phone with some pretty exciting features, especially that rear AMOLED panel and the high-powered camera setup. What do you guys think? Let us know down in the comments and I'll see you soon with our full review.